Working with my daughter on this closet has brought great fulfillment and joy. Even as my mom has pointed out, she's a girl and not a boy. My mother has said it has just blessed her heart to see my daughter working with me in every part. It's true, my daughter is my kin. She walks through me through thick and thin. In-home support services she does provide. She walks me back to health, takes every stride. We work together on projects called DIY, bringing me back to health, body, soul, and mind. Working with her has brought great joy, even though, as my mom pointed out, she's a girl and not a boy. Brittany Marie, I would just like to take this time to thank you for always finding time to paint, stain, and build these projects with me.